Hello dear student, welcome again in moral science class. Today we will read about learn from the mistakes, unit 3. We need to learn from our mistakes so that we do not run the risk of repeating them. We must develop the wisdom and sense to make good decisions. Good judgment will only develop if you truly learn from your mistakes. Okay, let's read this chapter. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor. It was he who invented electrical light bulb. During his experiments, he tried 2000 different materials in search of a filament for the light bulb, but none worked properly. Now see this picture and the dialogues are there. All our work is in vain. Vain means useless. We have gained nothing. And the next, we have come a long way. I learnt a lot. We know that there are 2000 elements which we cannot use to make a good light bulb. Now see here. Discuss and share. How did Edison approach setbacks? And the answer you can write on the book only. With positive attitude. Number 2. How did the assistant look at failures? Answer. With negative feelings. With negative feelings. Number 3. How is failure related to success? Failure is the first step to success. Number 4. Can a person be always successful? No. Okay, next 5. What should be our approach to setbacks? Answer. Positive attitude. With the positive attitudes only we can be successful in our life. Our approach to failures. Let's see. The basic quality of a successful person is to understand one's mistake and correct them. Failure is not the end of everything. On the contrary, it is an opportunity to make a new beginning. Every failure should teach us something new. The greatness of a man lies not in never failing, but rising up every time. Failure can be turned into success if one is able to understand the actual reason of the failure and correct them. Here are some examples. Those have tried too much hard work. We fail to succeed. First one is Beethoven, German composer. He handled the violin awkwardly and preferred playing his own composition instead of improving his technique. His teacher called him hopeless as a composer. Beethoven was one of the most widely respected composer of classical music. And the next is Walt Disney, cartoonist and animator. Who was he, you know? Okay, I will tell you. He was an American entrepreneur, animator, writer, and film producer. He introduced several developments in the production of cartoons. Let's read. He was fired by a newspaper editor of lack of ideas. Disney also went bankrupt several times before he built Disneyland. Next, Charles Darwin, father of theory of evolution. He wrote in his autobiography, I was considered by my father a very ordinary boy, rather below the common standard in intellect. Next, Albert Einstein, German scientist. He did not speak until he was 4 years old and did not read until he was 7. His teacher described him as mentally slow child lost in his foolish dreams. Next, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, the greatest basketball player. He writes, I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed. Winston Churchill, Nobel Prize winner. He struggled in school and failed the 6th grade. After school, he faced many years of political failures before becoming the Prime Minister at the age of 62. Now come on the exercise. Activity time. Question number 1. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one is, what is the basic quality of a successful person? Right answer. The basic quality of a successful person is to understand one's mistake and correct them. Understand? The basic quality of a successful person is to understand one's mistake and correct them. Next, how can we change failures into success? If one is able to understand the actual reason of failure and correct them. Okay. If one is able to understand the actual reason of failures and correct them. Here are 2 question answers. You have to write on your book only. Question number 2. Write true or false. A part. Those who are strong will never fail. False. Next. Failure is the end of everything. False. C part. We can learn from our experiences. True. Question number 3. Write how you will face failure next time. And the answer is, we will learn from our mistakes. First, we will learn from our mistakes. And next time, we will try to improve those mistakes. I repeat it. We will learn from our mistakes and next time we will try to improve those mistakes. Okay, turn over the page, next page. Next, question number 4, page number 18. Question number 4, understand the message behind each picture and explain it to the class. See this first picture. What we understand from this picture? You can write under this picture. Try hard to get your goal. Try hard to get your goal. B. See this picture. Snails are there. B part. You can write under this picture. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Number 5. Here is a tree. A huge tree has its beginning in a tiny seed. This change is a good example of success. The tree below contains a number of qualities which help us to succeed in life. Can you spot them out? One of them has been done for you. Question will come like qualities which help us to succeed in life. Okay. You can write, I have written here 6 qualities. Just find out. In the first line, this is aim, hard work, unity, courage, purpose, learning, planning. You can write it one side. Number 1, aim. Number 2, unity. Number 3, hard work. Number 4, courage. Number 5, purpose. Number 6, planning. You write all this exercise on your book only. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.